Hello, hello. Day one is wrapping up. So we are getting ready to, I know you probably look in the back like, oh my God. But we are getting the trash out there. We have some donated items. And so just looking around, we've kind of rearranged some things in here. If you can see. And so what we did, we put zones. So there's various zones. There's Christmas zones. There's a clothes zone. Right behind me is the extra food, the overflow. A lot of times when you have, we have 4 people in a home, so we buy in bulk. So what do you do with the extra items? And that's what we're gonna do here. And then Felita likes to bake, so we have some baking items that are gonna go here as well. Then we're gonna zone out and put the craft area over there. We're gonna do that. And then over here, it's gonna be, if you notice, Tony had some LPs. So we have a section for him for his record player, you know the old LP record player, and his speakers. And so we're gonna have the girls like a little girl cave down here, which is gonna be awesome. So stay tuned. We will let you know how it goes. But we've been doing this for probably 13 hours now, so we are going to take a break.